Si Mama, nung lumalaki kami, maliit pa kami, very selfless, maalaga, lahat ibibigay para sa aming mga magkakapatid.
I swear we've been through everything there is.
Naalala ko nung bata ko, you're always looking for us, caring sa pagkain, shelter, and sa pag-aaral namin magkakapatid. So, yun, thank you so much, Ma.
The years through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad.
Lagi kaming inaasikaso sa nag-aayos ng higaan namin, yung kwarto, naglilinis, pinagluluto kami. Masaya ako sa ginagawa ni Mama. Kasi kahit malaki na ako, pinagluluto niya pa rin ako. Yung mga kapatid ko, pag dumarating sa bahay, siya lagi nagluluto, tsaka masipag.
Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about.
Si Mama, very caring. Siya yung traditional mom. Maasikaso siya sa aming magkakapatid. Simula sa pagkain, sa damit, sa school. Siya talaga yung parang all-in-one. Wala ka nang hahanapin. The best talaga siya.
Ma, happy birthday. Balo ko, masaya ka today. I wish you good health, more happiness, and love for
I'll chase
God.
the shooting stars go by, dance with the fireflies at night. It's all possible. I'm gonna dream up something big, 'cause life is
In your 70 years of age, we have been together for 49 years, and you become more closer to me as I am closer to you. I love you, sweetheart. You are the love of my life.
Hold my head up high, look at the world straight in the eye, and say I'll take on every day, like there's nothing in my way. Hold my head up high, look at the world straight in the eye, and say I'm gonna take a leap. I'm ready to be free. Spread my wings. Spread my wings.
Wish ko kay Mama, yung magtagal pa siya dito sa mundo, marami pang birthday na dumating. Tsaka gusto ko maging masaya siya.
Happy 70th birthday, Ma. Ang wish ko kaya ka sana kumaba ka pa, be. Na maging healthy ka. Akayabe mo pa rin apo mo at buri ko mo maging masaya ka.
I want you to be happy always, lalo na you've taken care so much sa aming lahat ng magkakapatid. Now it's time for you to relax, to enjoy, think more of yourself, and stay healthy.
Hold my head up high, look at the world straight in the eye, and say I'll take on every day, like there's nothing in my way. Hold my head up high, look at the world straight in the eye, and say I'm gonna take a leap. I'm ready.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. Happy birthday, and I love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, Ma. Enjoy your day. I love you.
I love you, Joe. Happy birthday.
Ma, happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita, ma. I love you.